Uh, yeah, Dr. Jagannathan, sir. Yeah.
வாழ்க வளமுடன். குருவே சரணம். அருள்நிதி டாக்டர் ஜெகநாதன் from சென்னை அண்ணா நகர் மன்றம். வேதாத்ரிய சித்தர், சித்தா டாக்டர், veteran in வர்மக்கலை, research scholar, singer, worshipful professor அருள்நிதி சௌமித்ரன் sir. Your சிந்தனை விருந்து is superb. Heads of you, Professor. Question. Observation of silence is most important for every human being in the world, like sleeping, eating, and breathing. If anybody does all sky practices of our Maharishi properly in every day without fail, then only it will fulfill our Maharishi's dream and achieve our goal, world peace. Am I correct, Professor? Please explain. Thanks a lot to all of you, professors. Thank you.
Exactly, Mr. Jagannathan. Thanks for your question. You are precisely right. Those who are doing, actually, in Vedatriyam, generally we are conducting classes wherever. The Vedas are 5 types of Vedas: Rig Veda, Yajurveda, Samavedam, Atharvana Vedam, and the 5th one is Vedatriya Vedam. 5th one is Maharishi given 5 types of meditation to us. That is called Udal Tavam, Uyir Tavam, Manat Tavam, Agat Tavam, Atma Tavam. These 5 types of meditation Maharishi had given in Vedatriyam. Udal Tavam means simplified physical exercise. Then Uyir Tavam means simplified Kaya Kalpa. Then Manatavam means meditation. Agattavam means introspection. Atmatavam means silence. Those who are doing all 5 on daily basis, they will succeed in their life. Thank you very much, Jagannathan. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Now, Arunidhi Savarish. We unmute your mic, please.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Professor Saumitran, sir, it was
Yes,
a wonderful
Sabarish.
talk.
Yes, Sabarish.
Sir, it was a very wonderful talk. I really enjoyed your class. I'm really grateful for organizing this event, and your communication and the content that you shared was really helpful. I'm really thrilled. Thanks for that. Sir, my question is, you mentioned about Upadesha Sharam. If I may ask you, that is written by Ramana Maharishi, and can I ask you what correlation you were bringing Upadesha Sharam to Maharishi? Because I didn't get that part when you mentioned when you were quoting Upadesha Sharam.
Upadesha Sharam quoted all Maharishi, not only Ramana Maharishi, all, even Vedatri Maharishi also Upadesha Sharam given. That is called Upatesham. Means, what is Upatesham? That means in the Upanishad, Upa Samipe Disati, that is called. That Upatesham means, Upa means nearby, Disati means pointing out. So within you, they are pointing out the God. That is called Upatesham. All Mahans given this Upatesha Sara by way of doing various advices. But Ramana Maharishi is one of the great saint. Actually, Ramana Maharishi said one is poem. Manakugai irutti yenai மந்திர உபதேசம் செய்தாய் மனக்குகை இருத்தி எனை மந்திர உபதேசம் செய்தாய் மயக்கரு மனப்பேய் அகல மௌனம் மந்திரமன்றோ மயக்கரு மனப்பேயகல மௌனம் மந்திரமன்றோ. So to control your mind, one of the best tool is one of the best mantra is Maunam. Such Upatesha Sara is all saints given, Sabarish, including Vedatri Maharishi. Varka Valamudan.
Sir, thank you very much, sir. Sir, if may I ask, I would like to ask to the neuroscientist, the neurosurgeon who was talking, sir, I kind of understand that meditation helps to bring the dopamine, the serotonin, the brain chemicals level. I want to know that, is there any scientific research publication for our Davam, what we conduct in our Mandram, bringing the cannabinoids and those kind of any research has been done, or any kind of research paper that we can show to the scientific community people, when we address at a global scale.
Yes, yes, doctor.
Yes, sir. Please go ahead. After you, I'll talk after you.
Yeah. Thank you so much, doctor. In Sabarish, in our Sky Vedatrium, M.K. Thamodaranaya written one book, how to measure our mind when you are doing meditation. You please read that book also, and the doctor will continue now.
Mr. Shabarish, there are, if I understand correctly, you wanted to know the scientific research in terms of structure and function of the brain following meditation. Is that right?
That's correct, sir. That's right.
Yeah. There is a large volume of research has been conducted in many centers following meditation. Certain parts of the brain, the size changes over a period of time. MRI brains have been performed in long-term meditators as well as short-term meditators, and then these changes were noticed. Similarly, biochemical parameters have been studied. There are two factors especially. One factor's name is BDNF, brain-derived natriuretic factor. Of course, another factor is cortisol. So this BDNF is a feel-good factor. You feel good. So overall, it brings happiness. So the BDNF levels raise following meditation, practice of meditation. And cortisol is indicator of the amount of stress. So following mindfulness meditation, the cortisol levels will come down. And of course, neuropsychological parameters as well as autonomic function evaluation, especially the heart beating, the rate, the rhythm, and the irregularities, all have been studied, have been published. I'll be very happy to share some of this literature. In fact, at NIMHANS, me and my colleagues, we are currently involved in studying effect of yoga and meditation on multiple parameters of the brain. This is a Government of India, Department of Science and Technology sponsored, funded project. We'll be finishing our research in another 6 months, and then subsequently we are planning to publish our results. But I'll be happy to share whatever information I have with you. Anyway, thanks for asking the question.
Thank you, Sumitran sir, and thank you, doctor. Thank you very much. Really appreciate your help on this.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Arnidhi Sabarish, for a wonderful question. Now we are moving to the next participant, Professor T.S. Rajaraman We are unmuting you.
Good evening, Professor Soumitra sir.
Yes, good evening, Rajaraman sir.
Good evening. Be blessed by divine.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Very
Wonderful, well done.
excellent speech you have given on silence. Extraordinary caliber you showed on categorizing the types of silence. There are 10 types. Already heard only 3 or 4. You have mentioned extraordinarily 10 times, 10 names. Very good. I got a 1 or 2 questions, sir. Will you please permit me to answer?
Yeah.
Yes. In the initial stage of your speech, you mentioned that the silence is also an exercise. It is an intense exercise. Generally, exercise means the movement of limbs and organs. That is the case. How you can compare silence and exercise?
Silence is the exercise for to realize the Atma.
Oh.
If you want to realize your Atma, that silence is the exercise, only exercise. You want to realize your mind, the meditation is the exercise, like that only.
Okay, sir.
Mm.
My second question is,
Mm.
you have mentioned during our course of speech that a human being is the condensed form of Almighty God.
Yeah.
Then, yes. And you see the universe in 3 stages, Swapanam, Sushupti, and Jagrata. And the 4th stage is mentioned you or myself.
Yeah.
Please explain. I'm not able to understand what is 4th stage. How you can
Actually,
imagine.
yeah. When my discourse,
Ah.
please, the entire world is 3 dimensions.
Yes.
Swapnam, Sushukti, and Jagrata.
Ah.
In the 3 dimensions, everything comes and goes.
Yes.
And the 4th dimension is you. That is the Atma.
Oh.
That is
Not-
the Atma, and as called as that is called Swarupam.
Oh.
When you succeed in Maunam, then only you realize the 4th dimension. That is the exercise. That is the silence exercise to realize the Atma.
Very good. Beautiful explanation given, sir. The last question is,
Ah.
and you have mentioned that you are around more than 6,000 crores of human cells are fighting each other.
Yeah.
Then, but I got a contradictory reply. I got an answer. The thing is, you are doing meditation exercise to bring harmony between the cells. That is the case when cells are fighting. Why Lord Krishna asked Arjuna to fight? Already cells are fighting.
Yeah.
It is not a harmonious stage.
Hmm.
What do you want to interpret?
That is called karma.
Ah.
That is called karma.
In what way?
That depends. It depends your depends sanchita karma, prarartha karma. In initial stage, you please note that each and every person, I'm repeatedly telling you, Maharishi also says karma can bind you.
Oh.
The same karma, if you offer to the Lord, can release you
Oh.
by way of self-realization.
Okay, well done.
Okay.
Sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, Rajaramanji. Thank you so much, Rajaramanji. Thank you.
Hollywood. Thanks for the question, Professor T.S. Rajaraman. Now, we are unmuting you, Mr. Velayudham. Please ask your question.
Professor Soumitra, good evening.
Yes, good evening, Velayudhamji. Good evening.
So it's extremely nice to hear your discourse today. I'm already used to your discourse in Tamil, and this is a wonderful experience I got today when you explain the same thing to a wider audience because of the English. It was a really great one, and I liked it. My simple question is, at my age of close to 74 years, I am following simple exercises as pronounced by Maharishi, and meditation Of course, I take some help of some audio and video, etc. I think is it sufficient to prolong? That's all. My very simple question.
Yeah, but that is very sufficient for you. Along with that, when you are after your introspection, you do please do silence also every day 15 minutes to start with 15 minutes or 30 minutes.
Okay.
So
Okay.
that will now doctor says in the
Okay.
brain part. Actually, we learned lot of things from the doctor today.
Okay.
So he is giving scientific proven is giving now.
Okay.
In now in the present scenario, in the present world, now the publics want, if I do silence, if I do something or exercise or meditation or introspection, you please give scientific proof, then only I will do. So now the doctor has given the excellent presentation with regard to brain neurons when you do silence. That's correlated with the Gita or any Idikasa. So along our sincere request is, along with our exercise, Kaya Kalpa, meditation and introspection, you please do silence also. Thank you, Velaidamji.
Just 1 minute, Dr. Mr. Savitran. Can I talk to Shankari just for 10 seconds?
Pardon?
Madam.
Madam.
Yes, sir. Please continue, sir.
Sorry for bothering you, madam. You were
Yes,
remarking,
sir.
you sent some 2 takes of some forms, etc. I didn't access it. Can you send it to my mobile number later on?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, madam. It was a wonderful organizing.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Varikolamudan. Sir, any more questions, sir? Velaidam, sir, do you have any more questions?
No, thanks a lot. You've given a very patient here.
Okay, thank you so much. Now we are moving to the next participant. We are unmuting you, Mr. Rudresh Murthy. Please ask your question. We are unmuting you, Mr. Rudresh Murthy. Rudresh Murthy, sir, Varikolamudan. Okay. Next, we are unmuting you, Mr. P. Prasad, iPhone.
Varikolamudan, can you hear me?
Yes, sir, Varikolamudan.
No, I wanted to give a comment earlier on when there was a discussion between cannabinoid receptors and so on. I think at the molecular and the basic biochemical level, I think research is still warranted from a Vedantian perspective. However, I did note, and I've read some past, that we do assess the clinical signs and the physiological parameters, and we have got substantial supporting evidence to what we are preaching or what Maharishi has told us, and we are messaging to the world. So I just wanted to share this comment. Now, coming to the sub-molecular, molecular levels and try to understand the details, I think some more work is needed, and it will happen in due course of time. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Prasad, sir. Now, again, we are unmuting you, Mr. Rudresh Murthy. Okay. Varikolamudan. We are moving to the next participant. We are unmuting you, Mr. Prabhakaran. Varikolamudan, sir. We are unmuting you, Mr. Prabhakaran. Yes, sir.
Varikolamudan, madam. Varikolamudan, sir. I have a question for Mr. Swami, sir. Sir, we're doing silence and all. And when we do the meditation and all our practice, and we can feel that the silence, the benefits and all happening when we are sleeping, and when we wake up, we can see, like it's my experience. I noticed some of it. When we do the deep meditation and all, and we go for sleep, and when we wake up, even the problems that we cannot really solve when we are in a normal in a practical situation, and when we wake up, we can feel that the solution was given in different format. It could be come as a dream and all. is that all benefit of silence, sir, or it's just happening, or we don't know, sir? So how it works? Is that how? And another question, sir, for the beginner level, when we practice silence and all, how do we know the silence? What we are doing is really we are achieving. Is there any measurable way we can you know acknowledge ourselves we are doing proper? Is there any system we can really measure with our tools? Thank you, sir. Welcome.
Yeah. Good evening, Prabhakaranji. Actually, the dreaming stage when you are sleeping stage, that is entirely different. That is no way connected with the silence. First is. Second one is, out of 10 types of silence, after his own realization, Maharishi recommended only 3 types of silence. That is abstinence from speaking, abstinence from all activities, and Maha Maunam. There are 3 types only Maharishi had given. So these 3 types, the first one is vocal silence. Vai pesadu iruttal, that is called. And second one is abstinence from all activities, is controlling the jnana indriyas, sensory organs, and karma indriyas. Just you sit ideally, even try to don't shake your body. That is second type. When you do these type of silence on regular basis, every day 15 minutes, and increase the time weekly, and after a few months you do for half a day silence. After a few months you do silence for 8 hours, and after a few months you do silence for 1 day. Like that, at one point of time you realize that Maha Maunam. Thank you very much.
Welcome, sir. Welcome, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. We are unmuting you, Mr. Rudresh.
Yeah, sure, ma'am. Thank you very much, Professor G. I mean, it was so much of information, and we are happy to listen to you. I mean, it was well. I mean, it was fabulous, I would say, and also having practicing Maharshi's the principles. Really, we are getting benefited in continuation to our daily practices. But one of my question comes to my mind after listening to this Maunam meditation, sir. So when we are doing 7 chakras, so till Turiyam, so I think almost we are concentrating, meaning we are isolating from the external world. That means we are doing the inner travel, almost what I understand. But my question here is, so when it comes to Mauna Dhyanam, how is that different from this? Because as per the explanation given, it is something like where we want to isolate from external and internal world altogether. But in this case, when we are doing all the meditations on the different chakras within our body, till Turiyam, then how is this Maunam and this meditation is different each other?
Yeah, exactly. Good question. That activating chakras is meditation. The silence is entirely different. The activating chakras is related to body and mind. The silence is entirely different. That is only related with Atma. When you succeed your fit body, you have to do exercise. And when you see when you realize your Atma, only those who can able to succeed meditation, they only realize the Atma. So in Tamil, Manam udikindra idathil nirka vendum. That is called meditation.
Right.
The owner of senses is mind. The owner of mind is Atma. So once you succeed the meditation, then the ennam udikindra idathil nindral, then you practice the silence, you see or you realize the Atma directly. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much. Rudramurthy sir, thank you so much.
Yeah,
Do you have any more questions, sir?
Yes. Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Madam, 1 second. I will connect my laptop to the switch. 1 second, please.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
1 second. Sorry. Yes, ma'am. I'm ready.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. Now we are unmuting you, Dr. Vijaya Dhanapati. Please ask your question. Yes, ma'am. வாழ்க வளமுடன், ma'am.
வாழ்க வளமுடன்மா. வாழ்க
Yes, ma'am.
வளமுடன். Madam, I don't have any question, but I want to give a piece of appreciation. Actually, dear friends, வாழ்க வளமுடன். Dr. Rabindranath sir, the Sky professor, is long time associated with Vedatri Maharshi. Since he asked us to connect this program with all the guests from Karnataka zone today, we had brought Dr. Malla Bhaskar Rao sir to this program today. So this is a good platform created by Dr. Rabindranath sir for all the followers of Vedatri Maharshi to peep into the concepts of Vedatri Maharshi, particularly about consciousness. First of all, I'm sorry also because I could not attend Dr. Saumitran's speech today, since we had a second introspection course in our center and we had to conduct the course. But I joined only during the question answer session, but it was really wonderful. All the questions are very much particular to the subject and the answers are also very good with different perspectives and different points of view. It was really good. Thank you so much, sir, for the patience of answering all the questions. Also, I would also thank the speakers, the participants, and the moderator also. And special thanks to Dr. Malla Bhaskar sir. After requesting, he has joined. He is a neurosurgeon. His schedule is very tight. I know many times when I call him, he'll tell, I'll call you later, madam. He used to tell me because he's always busy in his surgery work and etc. But he has given respect to our words and he has joined this meeting today and he was participating. I really thank you very much, sir, from the deep of my heart. Very nice, dear friends. Thank you very much. Once again, thank you, everybody. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thanks, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Now, we invite Sky Professor Rangaswamy, President of Hosur and a trustee of World Community Service Center, Aria, to deliver vote of thanks.
Thank you, Shankari. It was a great pleasure. Thank you for reminding me also. And first of all, the silence, Maunam, what we call, so imbibed in our system, and it is excellent. Absolutely thrilling it was. Let me first thank Professor Kiraneshwari for conducting the meditation and followed by inaugural address by Professor D.G. Parameshwaran from Bangalore. And actually the Bangalore team, as Vijaya Dhanapati has said, the entire team has worked in liaison with the R&D team and given us this wonderful opportunity. And especially our senior professor Arunidhi Saumitran வாய் பேசாது இருக்கணும் அப்படின்னு சொன்னாரு. அது போரும் ஐயா. It was so nice that you have enlightened all of us with your excellent speech. And the concluding speech, of course, I have to tell about Dr. Malya in his busy schedule. And as a neurosurgeon and a professor, Department of Neurosurgery, NIMHANS, Bangalore, he has come all the way to tell us that 86 billion neurons are in liaison and interconnected with, 86 billion stars are working, he says. I admire, and he asked for, why you ask permission? You are always welcome, sir. And we would like to have yet another session fully dedicated for your wonderful sharing of the videos. Thanks a lot, especially for your coming on time and then giving us your excellent experience. Thank you so much. And also the special thanks to the entire R&D team who has worked around the clock behind informing all of us, and headed by our great Dr. M.V. Ravindranath ji, whose vision has given us this gift of consciousness 360 seminars continuously of Vedadri Maharishi's great, prominent, eminent disciples. Every Saturday, he is thrilling us. In fact, today was almost, it was an ultimate that finally we end up with this silence and silence, Maunam and Maunam. So thank you very much, all of you and the entire Karnataka team for coming on this line and enlightening us on Consciousness 360 seminar. Last but not the least, as usual, our Shankari madam has done a wonderful thing. Thank you, Shankari, the Sky professor from Delhi, as usual, coordinated so very well. And all the participants who have asked excellent questions, we cannot forget. And thank you very much, all the participants who have come for today's seminar. Thank you so much. Once again, God bless all of you. Be blessed by the divine. Thank you very much. Over to you, Shankari.
Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot, sir. Thanks again to all participants. Please participate in this event every week. Next week, 3rd April 2021, we have Sky Senior Professor Dr. Ilamurugan from Coimbatore speaking on the topic of before birth, after death.
Before and after birth.
World Community Service Center has proposed for a spiritual world record event scheduled on Maharishi Samadhi Day, 28th March 2021 at 6 p.m. with the performance of Mass Panchbhuta Navagraha meditation by more than 1 lakh participants. Please be a part of the event by subscribing to our Sky Yoga TV YouTube official channel and logging in individually at the time of meditation. Please subscribe if you are not done so. We all are set to record for largest online meditation. Let's get ready. You can watch and subscribe to Consciousness 360 videos on the YouTube channel called Vedatrium Gurukulam and Facebook page Vedatrium Maharishi Kundalini Yoga. Spread the word to all your friends and relatives. Let everyone to take part in this event. May the blessings of Almighty and Guru Yogi Raj Vedatrium Maharishi be with us always. See you all next week. Practice our sky system every day. Stay safe. Till then, be blessed by the divine. Vazhga valamudan. Now we are going to conclude the session with World Peace Prayer. உலக நல வாழ்த்துடன் நிகழ்ச்சியை முடிவு செய்கிறோம். வாழ்க வளமுடன்.
உலகமெல்லாம் பருவமழை ஒத்தபடி பெய்யட்டும், உழவரெல்லாம் தானியத்தை உவப்புடனே பெருக்கட்டும்.
உலகமெல்லாம் பருவமழை மழை ஒத்தபடி பெய்யட்டும். உழவரெல்லாம் தானியத்தை உவப்புடனே பெருக்கட்டும். பல தொழில்கள் புரிகின்ற பாட்டாளி உயரட்டும். பகுத்துணர்வில் தொகுத்துணர்வு பண்பாட்டை உயர்த்தட்டும். உலகமெல்லாம் பருவமழை ஒத்தபடி பெய்யட்டும். கலகங்கள் போட்டி பகை கடந்து ஆட்சி நடக்கட்டும். கல்லாமை கடன் வறுமை களங்கங்கள் மறையட்டும். கலகங்கள் போட்டி பகை கடந்தாட்சி நடக்கட்டும். கல்லாமை கடன் வறுமை களங்கங்கள் மறையட்டும். நலவாழ்வை அளிக்கும் மெய்ஞான ஒளி வீசட்டும். நலவாழ்வை அளிக்கும் மெய்ஞான ஒளி வீசட்டும். நம் கடமை அறவாழ்வின் நாட்டத்தே சிறக்கட்டும். நம் கடமை அறவாழ்வின் நாட்டத்தே சிறக்கட்டும். நம் கடமை அறவாழ்வின் நாட்டத்தே சிறக்கட்டும். நம் கடமை அறவாழ்வின் நாட்டத்தே